Out here, nothing is handed to you. The days are unpredictable. The terrain fights back. And when there's work to do, you can't always get it done alone. It takes partnership, trust, and a commitment to get it done right the first time. That's why Can-Am and Rockford Fosgate came together. Two brands built on the same code. Purpose-built engineering. Relentless performance. True grit. Together, we're setting a new standard for off-road audio. Purpose-built for the Can-Am Defender. Factory-level fit. Plug-and-play integration. Direct control of your audio. Systems engineered to meet the demands of off-road life. And built to excel when conditions turn against you. Because performance shouldn't end where the pavement does. Can-Am and Rockford Fosgate. Audio engineered further